Marcus Czar here. So I want to do a quick video. Midday. I'm off work today, so I just want to throw a video because the markets are pretty down, as you guys can see above here on Fiat Leak. There we go. So as you guys can see, most of the cryptocurrency markets are down. As you guys can see as well, Bitcoin is had a drop down from $4,076 to its low of, what was that, like $4,000 there. The mouse won't catch it all the way down to the bottom, but yeah, so the market is pretty much down. As we go to coinmarketcap.com just to get a overall glance of the whole cryptocurrency space, and let's see if there's opportunity in the markets. I see opportunity. I've been watching a few cryptocurrencies that I wanted to get onto, as far as like get on a nice quick swing trade. Some of these cryptocurrencies that I have on my chart, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Some of them are in a nice channel, so I want to see if I could get a swing trade in one of these channels. So as you guys can see here, the overall market is, everything's pretty much red right now. So definitely a good time to get into a cheap asset, and then hopefully in the next few hours or days or so, definitely the market's going to turn back green, right? It's always going up and down. That's how crypto moves. So let's see if we could do something about this and see if we can make a nice little profit here. Engine Coin is still doing good. I've been definitely watching Engine Coin. Raven Coin is definitely still off the charts. As you guys see here, it's still up 15.89% on a day. Raven Coin been just killing it. Raven Coin was ranked 50th the other day. Now it's up to 44th spot. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes on Raven Coin to see if it's an opportunity to get into it. I don't think right now. It's just been really going to the moon. Let's see though. Let's go to Binance and let's take a look at Raven Coin right now. See if it's a good time to get in. I don't think it is, to be honest with you, but you never know. Raven Coin got all the volume right now in the BTC market, so it's pretty strong. Let's take a look at Raven Coin here. As this thing load up. Okay, so as you guys can see, Raven Coin just been on a tear from like 600 sats to 1139 sats. So it's pretty up there. This is 2-hour charts here. Let's go 30 minutes here. So I had a nice little pullback here. So it rose up to 1155 sats, then it dropped down to about 1020 sats, and it rose back up to 1170 sats. So it got some up and down movements going on right now. So this is a uptrend Raven Coin is having right now. So from this point here, about 798 sats or 802 sats, it has been pretty much on this uptrend here. Hasn't really touched this trend line at this point here, but it did touch the, what was that, the 7-day moving average and the 25-day moving average. So definitely broke those moving averages and dropped down this trend line here. So I don't think it's a good time to get into Raven Coin, just because it's you're going to be buying here, and then more than likely a lot of sellers are going to come in and push this price down and probably touch the trend line again. So I'm not going to look at Raven Coin right now. I'm going to look at it, but not going to get a Raven Coin right now. But what else is, I've been looking at XRP. XRP is definitely, let me go to USD market. So XRP, because I got USDC, I got my USDC dollar coin, which is pretty much Coinbase. So this is the trading pair I'm gonna be using if I do get into XRP. Like I said, I've been watching XRP. XRP been going down, as you guys can see here, from like 29 cents all the way up to like 32 cents, 34 cents. Let me open this up here. Has a nice little channel, but you guys can't see it because two in here. So since the mid of March, right, March 15th, it got to 30 cents. Let's see, 32 cents here. Let me zoom in some more here. Might have to go out. Now that works right there, right? So where's the support at, right? So about 30 cents is, I'll say, is good support for XRP here. Oops, fix this. So support's about there, right? Anything lower than 30 cents for XRP, I think it's a good time to catch it. It's good. As you guys can see, these big drop downs here at 29 cents. Another drop to 29 cents. And then, 30 cents here, close to 29 cents, a little bit lower, be right here. But yeah, this is pretty much the support for XRP for pretty much for the whole month of March. So as you guys can see, it's pretty good opportunities here to get at 30 cents at this here, and it seems like a lot of people is having a sell orders here in the 31 cents or 32 cents range here. This is at 32 cents. Another one up here got as high at 32 cents. So it seems like it's going to repeat itself again here. As you guys can see here, it got low to 29 cents. So that's what I want to get in at 29 cents. But hey, you got to take profits when you can take profits. So it's currently here, buyers is trying to step back in at this support level for XRP. So yeah, so definitely looking at XRP. And then another one I'm looking at that has really great news right now is Stellar. Stellar just is pretty much had a big partnership with IBM and their blockchain. So Stellar is definitely another crypto assets to keep your eyes on. I definitely believe it's very cheap as far as Stellar. And yeah, Stellar got as high as, a lot higher than, what's current price now in the past. So let's look at Stellar at the past here. Big dump there. Well, I'm looking at USDC market. So this market just came online for Binance. So I'm not going to be able to see all the data to see how high it got. The only way I'm going to see that is in the BTC markets. So like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm just show you guys what my play is going to be here as far as like Stellar. Get some more data here. Let me go to 15 minutes charts here for Stellar. So yeah, so for pretty much for the last month, Stellar started here, at 8 cents. This one I seen Stellar. I actually seen Stellar just rising from 7 to 8 cents. You know what I'm saying? My intuition was telling me to get into Stellars at this low price. Stellar got as low as about like 3-4 cents. You know what I'm saying? That was like, or 7 cents. I think it was lower than that, like 6-5 cents in the past. Those like good time to get into Stellar because Stellar's pretty stable as far as its price. It does have goes up and down just like any other assets. But yeah, I'm definitely keeping my eyes on Stellar here. So let's draw the support here. So support right now is at about 10 cents. I really want to get into Stellar when it goes lower than 10 cents. But it seems like Stellar has a nice support for the last, mid of March, right? That's a support of about 10 cents. As you guys can see here, 10 cents. It got to 9 cents and it broke this resistance to 11 cents, right? As you guys can see here, then it went down to support lines at 10 cents. It climbed back up a little bit, but didn't quite get to 11 cents until this area here, and then it did it again at 10 cents, and it climbed up to almost 12 cents. So Stellar looks pretty good as far as like getting in. overall still is cheap in my opinion. So definitely a lot of people, some people got in at 9 cents here the other day, which was actually today. So should have had that buy order in. I would have got in at still at 9 cents. But you know, if I get out 10 cents, is great, and just pretty much just HODL, probably get a nice swing trade and probably sell at 11 cents or 12 cents. You know, that would be great for me. You know, profits is profits at the end of the day, because things add up if you keep getting in at great entry points and selling it at pretty much at its you know, resistance points as well. So yeah, with that said, guys, just want to give you guys a quick update on what I'm going to do. I'm gonna review all of this to see what my trade is going to be, but more likely is I'm looking at Stellar right now. Stellar's probably the best bet at this time, and yeah, especially with a lot of news around Stellar and IBM and their blockchain. Stellar has a great future, I believe, and it has real use case in my opinion. So with that said, guys, Marcus Czar, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. So what's your thoughts on Stellar? You guys think it's a good time to get into Stellar and just pretty much just HODL if you guys want to do that as well, or get in a swing trade? So let me know below. And yeah.